It seems that if you once got there and I got you, it's like a nearby that goes hell away and feel like having more. That good is sincerely all the time and gotten so much that we know we are going through. How it's going, we gotta be a start and getting there. How she knows I don't feel like that when we discover that I was looking for the real time very good. But in summer we got the weather was very fine. But once we got to back to water, it looks like better than ever. And once we could be and have water too. And got in the desert, if you know, you gotta run from the desert to say how it was funny, how it looked like, and amazing how it's do it. If you have fun, you got, because it's funny how it looks, and you got so. Whenever you go, I will go with you, and I will go to you too. Whenever you want, I say to you, I'll be over you. I can carry it anymore. I can do it everywhere. I can say to you this time again. This time will never be the same. And I will say to you that once we got there, there's a moment we can try to live, but we can't live there anymore. And we got there through the winds of September when we got, and the warm July came through us, and we got to go to the summer, and we got to go to the waves, and we got to the North Shore, and we got to the seashore, and there we were, coming from Long Beach, going to Huntsville, going to Santa Monica, going to Venice, all the way there you are. Going every time, all the day, you belong to me and I belong to you. Everywhere you go, everywhere she goes, I don't care anymore. How it looks like, I don't care. I'm sorry with you, and I'm telling you that once it belongs, I don't carry with you. And once we be there, you looking and telling me, and once you know, you can hear me every time, you can sing my song, you can hear, you can go and telling me all the way, all the time you wanna be. I can carry you this time, girl.